I want you guys to picture this. You have thousands of skills that in a million years you would have never been able to acquire yourself on how to do ads, how to build funnels, how to build low ticket, how to build. I mean, I don't really care what you want to do, right? But you can just now do it. And then I believe that the future of companies is that someone is going to have access to a platform like this, and they're going to have like 500 skills in a specific niche, and they're just going to go and sell them outcomes on, let's say, how to grow. But then they're going to come back and cook and say, oh, by the way, every week I want you to schedule ads for this client, um, and then ship it. We believe that the path to building nine-figure companies is literally going to be through owning the intelligence that does the labor for every single vertical niche that you can think of. The reason why I'm doing this workshop is not because I wanted to show you guys this cool little AI that does images. No, it's because I think that most people don't understand that human labor, like hiring a human is going to be a non-viable path. There is no way you're going to tell me that you can only work 8 hours and 80% of that time you don't even want to be working. And then I'm going to have Cook. I can just go on missions with Cook. And because it has access to media generation, the ability to research, scrape Reddit, your website, social media, scrape every single tech platform, access this GHL CRM, have ability to meta, to do all the advertising, have the ability to deploy sites, all these integration, have the ability to have create forms and update forms, have the ability to create a calendar, have the ability to create videos, understand videos, have the ability to create missions and spawn missions, have the ability to create skills, have the ability to have access to workflows, data, and then what's the human gonna do that a skill can't be codified or a tool can't be integrated? There won't be that many opportunities, or at least when it comes to knowledge work, we're all cooked.